Hey everyone, the Engwe EP2 Boost is a daring and adaptable electric bike that sits somewhere between off-road capabilities and urban usefulness. You can see right away that it isn't afraid to show off its personality, especially in its striking orange coloring. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, it is built to be a useful workhorse, particularly for weekend trail fans or urban delivery riders. The EP2 Boost is a very reasonably priced all-terrain e-bike, especially one with a foldable frame, and it comes to market at about $949. Even though it's advertised as a folding bike, it's clear right away that portability isn't its best feature. It weighs 30 kilos, making it a heavy machine. Additionally, the folding mechanism is unreliable, making it difficult to move or carry without it attempting to unfold itself. For riders who like to explore trails or natural areas outside of town, the foldability does, however, make it easy to transport in a car. Comfort and stability are where the EP2 Boost truly excels. A comfortable, nearly floaty ride is provided by the broad padded saddle, front suspension, and 20 by 4-inch fat tires. It manages tough terrain, manhole covers, and potholes as if they weren't even there. Its popularity among delivery riders who spend hours in the saddle each day can be explained by its cozy, magic carpet feel. These tires' stability also makes it simpler to ride hands-free and safely negotiate challenging terrain. It has a 7-speed Shimano gearbox and mechanical disc brakes, which are simple but practical and reasonably priced. The absence of hydraulic brakes, which would provide greater stopping power, given the bike's weight, is a minor disappointment. A 624 watt-hour detachable battery and a 250 watt rear hub motor, which complies with EU requirements, provide the electric assist. Although the range is up to 75 miles on paper, in practice it is closer to 35 to 40 miles due to factors like rider weight, terrain, and power level. The torque sensor and motor work together to give power more smoothly, but the aid levels are a little lackluster. Under larger loads or on slopes, the support feels too gentle, even on level 5, the maximum standard setting. The EP2 Boost gets its name from this point. With 55 Newton-meters of torque released by a dedicated boost button, the ride is transformed with rapid and steady acceleration that makes navigating hills a breeze. It offers a much more powerful experience while remaining within the bounds of legal authority. The manual holding of this boost mode is the main disadvantage, and riders may prefer an assist level in between 5 and boost. The EP2 Boost has remarkable off-road capabilities in spite of these minor problems. The big tires and front suspension provide you confidence and control on gravel, damp grass, and dirt paths. This bike is a fantastic compromise if you live in the city but want to spend your weekends exploring trails. Just put it in your trunk and head out. In the end, the Engwe EP2 Boost isn't flawless. It could use more powerful pedal assist and hydraulic brakes, plus it is hefty and a little awkward to handle. However, it offers a great deal of value for less than $1,000. It is stylish, durable, comfy, and adaptable enough for both off-road excursions and city streets. The EP2 Boost is a fun and reasonably priced introduction to the world of all-terrain e-bikes, regardless of whether you're a courier or a casual rider hoping to get away from the pavement. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. Have a nice day and God bless you.